You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made samosa and spring roll filling. Yeah, very easy. All you need is your spring onion. You can see the one I'm cutting, green beans, carrot, cabbage, onions, and spices of your choice, and minced meat. Yeah, if you don't want, you can also cut your meat into pieces, and that is all. So I'm ready to cut. You can see I'm cutting my spring onion already. Cool. So I'll continue to cut other ingredients, veggies, till I'm done. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this channel by only keep clicking on your subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate and I love you all so much. So you can see the side I'm using for this carrot. The small size is not pretty okay. I don't really like it because it's as if you're matching the carrot, so I prefer the bigger part. So I'll be using this part instead. When you're done, feel free to use your knife and cut it down a bit more, and that is that. Right now, I'm done with my veggies. You can see this is the last one I'm cutting. After the cabbage, I'm good to go. Yeah, everything is set. You need a neat frying pan or a neat pot. Set on a medium heat. This is my garlic and ginger paste. Add little oil to it and allow it to hot a bit. Add little salt to it, and you add your spring onions, spring onions, and you add ginger and garlic paste. Stir very well to fry for a little time, and you go ahead to add your meat. Yes, if you're new, don't forget to join this lovely channel. I have more than 500 videos in this channel I know you will love, so feel free to explore this progressive recipe. Tell a friend about progressive recipe. Yeah, I do a lot here and I know you will really appreciate it. Have you liked this video? What are you waiting for? Give us thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah, appreciate what you're seeing by clicking on the like button. Add your meat and you stir very well. Now it's time to add any ingredients you're using for your meat. Yes, if you've been cooking meat in your house, yeah, all the ingredients you use, just add a little. Yeah, but to me, I prefer my kitchen glory. If I don't have Benny today, I would have added I added my seasoning cube. That's normal no cube. If you have what do you call it, if you have other spices like mivina, please feel free to also add. Okay, curry time is there. If you have rosemary, feel free to add a little. Everything little, and you allow to steam. Yes, allow it to steam for at least 3 to 4 minutes before you come back. Look at that juice. Wow, this is beautiful, exactly the way I wanted it. So stir very well and you test to know whether ingredients are balanced and okay before you add the next ingredients. Start adding your green beans in and you stir together. Stir very, very well. And you add in your carrots. Pour the carrots. Stir very well. Just allow it for the next 1 to 2 minutes and you off your heat. This samosa filling is pretty. Finally, it's looking okay, perfect and beautiful. It's ready. So go ahead and remove it. We'll still use the same frying pan to make our spring roll filling. A little oil to the pan, little salt, spring onions, stir very well. Add your ginger and garlic mixture. Stir very well. Go ahead to spice the way you want. A little seasoning cube, little pepper, because of the weather here, so I don't joke with pepper here. Little kitchen glory, curry. Feel free to add whatever you love. Stir very well. Add in your carrot and your cabbage. This tastes so amazing. You feel free to taste. And lastly, you introduce your cabbage. And that is all for the spring roll filling. Stir very well and allow in 1 minute. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have not joined this channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not even liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please give me thumbs up, like my video, subscribe, be a part of this lovely channel. We cook, we bake, we decorate cakes, and we also do different pastries I know you will love. Feel free to explore the channel because we have more than 500 videos that are well detailed, and I believe you will enjoy this channel. So this is all you need to do. Right now, our spring roll fillings ready. Look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, see the final outcome of both. Wow, woo, this is so great and amazing. So the next video I'll be showing you how I wrapped and fry. So don't forget to join. So stay tuned. Bye.